So again, until you eat the same things I eat, you have no idea how I feel, and therefore there's no way that we can live together or have some kind of real relationship. That's just the way it is. Isn't it amazing? Like, this is so big that people don't realize it. Okay? For the ancient American peoples, the Mayans, cocoa was the official community food. It was the official community food. That's what everybody drank. I'm like, fast forward 500 years. And like we need to go back there. Anyways, I've heard from God on God food so much. Like this actually is God's choice to unite the human race in maximum love. Okay? With a common drink, with a common diet. And it's like, anyways, if you don't eat the exact same things that I eat, there's no way we can even slightly be friends, because you feel like trash and I feel like paradise. And you feeling like trash is actually a sign of stubbornness or ignorance or unwillingness to accept what it is that I choose. Disunity? You're just like... So, the reality is, people have to eat the same thing in order to be happy and united. Guess what? God actually has a choice to do this. It's called God food, theobroma cacao. And it works for everyone maximally. Don't say the days of, oh, freedom of religion. Oh, that's nice to hear that you have a diet that works for you. Oh, I'm so happy for you. Don't give me that BS. God is all about unity. And if he has ordained a dream plant whose dream fruit provides the dream feelings and experience and health for my dream body, guess what? It is also precisely the dream for every single human worldwide for every age. Period. It's not just something that works for me and that might work for them. No. Don't give me that BS. Theobroma cacao is the cat's meow for you and every human now and forever. And until human beings start consuming this stuff seriously and religiously, you're not even close to happiness. Not even close. Alcohol will not take you there. Beer will not take you there. Anything else other than pure, natural, organic cocoa powder with water, pegged first as your diet, God food. If you try anything else, you're a loser. You are a clinical happiness, health loser. We might as well put one of these on your forehead. Period. When God says that he has a choice, did you know that God is a person? Jesus is God. He came to the earth. When he came to the earth, he had a mission to be the lamb that was slain for the sins of the world. But guess what? He's also the creator of theobroma cacao, God food that existed back in the Garden of Eden, that he gave with pleasure to the ancient Americans, and that he obviously wants to bring a worldwide revival to in these last days in preparation, in the joyful preparation for his return. Jesus is God and Jesus is personal. So if Jesus is telling me to drink God food to the glory of his name and to recommend this to all humans everywhere, well, guess what? That's the personal God talking, isn't he? And guess what? It's very exciting and it's very gratifying and joy-inducing. Anyways, so people get together and drink a coffee. You just made the wrong choice. You're trying to bond with another human, but you just made the wrong effing choice for the consumable. All right. All right. I'm going to keep enjoying this day with God until the human race catches up with us.